three colors no. Yellow,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and good
green,
afternoon.
red.
I hope you all are fine. Playgroup, you all are fine. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed Mustafa Baji, how are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Okay, now Urva, you tell me. Urva, how are you? You are fine, Urva? Okay, so Bachi, today we learn new question and this is your GK class, okay? The subject name is GK class and GK means general knowledge, okay? तो कल हमने जनरल नॉलेज में क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लर्न किया था ना और आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 लर्न करेंगे, ओके? आर यू रेडी फॉर लर्निंग?
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड, ओके. तो
लड़का.
कल हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पढ़ा था और वो कौन सा था? नेम एनी 3 फ्रूट्स. किसी भी 3 फ्रूट्स के नेम बताए, नाम बताए, ओके? तो हु हैज टेल मी, किस को याद है? वेरी गुड. लुक एट अफान वर्कशीट. अफान ने कितना प्यारा वर्कशीट बनाया है. वेरी गुड. ऑल ऑफ यू क्लैप फॉर अफान. क्लैपिंग करें सब अफान के लिए. वेल डन. वेरी नाइस अफान, वेरी गुड. Your worksheet is very colorful, very nice. Ahmed Mustafa, very good. Urwa, very good. Splendid, excellent. Show me Urwa, बच्चे थोड़ा सा ऊपर करें अपना worksheet. Urwa, show me. Very good. So, okay. Now Zavia, you tell me. Yesterday हमने कौन सा question याद किया था? Name any 3 fruits. Tell me. Apple, yes. Mango, very good. Yes. Mango, very good. Banana, very well done, very good. Okay, so Quran, bache, you tell me name any 3 fruits. Very good, very nice. So, okay, now Urva, you tell me name any 3 fruits. Name any 3 fruits. Urva, tell me. Apple, yes. Mango, very good. Very nice, very good. Sorry, shabash. Clap for yourself, all of you. Clap for yourself. Sab Lily clapping kari, shabash. Okay, so bache, today we learn new question, okay? And our new question is, look at the sheet. Name any 3 colors. किसी को पता है colors किसे कहते हैं? I will show you a lot of colors, many colors, okay? बच्चे color mean रंग.
क्या कम कलर है? कलर से तो रंग.
Wow, see, there are so many colors, different colors, like this one. You can tell me, okay? Orange. Tell me, bache. Orange. Yes. Yellow. Very nice. Very good. And this one is purple. This one is purple. Very good. This one is pink. Okay.
Brown.
And this one is gray. Very good. And this one color pencil is black. Very nice. And this one is dark blue. What is the color of this pencil? Yes, very good. Dark blue. Very good. Okay. And this one is light blue. Okay. So these are so many colors, but today we learn only 3 colors. Okay. ये तो एक बहुत ज्यादा कलर है ना, लेकिन आज हम only 3 कलर याद करेंगे. ओके, चलिए बच्चे मेरे साथ करना है प्यारा प्यारा. ओके, are you ready? Okay, so Today our question
Yes,
is
ma'am.
name. Very good, Ahmed Mustafa. Name any three colors. Repeat with me. Name any three colors. Wow. Okay. So इसका मतलब है कि किसी भी तीन रंग के नाम बताए. ठीक है? Three colors के name बताए. So the answer is the first number is red. Which color is this? Red.
Red.
रेड बच्ची सब अपने माइक अनम्यूट करें ताकि मैम आपकी आवाज सुन सके.
Red.
Very good. Which color is this? Red. Very good.
Blue.
Which color is red?
Green.
बच्ची
Red.
ये कौन सा कलर है? Red. Which color is this? Red. Very good. Okay. And
Red.
the next one is number 2 is blue. B L U E
Come color.
2. Okay. So red and the next one color is
Come color.
blue. दूसरा कौन सा कलर है? स्क्वायर को सब देखिए ये कौन से कलर का है?
Blue.
Blue. Amna Shah, you tell me which color is this?
They.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. And Urva, you tell me which color is this? Blue. Good. Okay. Huran, you tell me which color is this? Very good. Okay. Now Zavia Bachi, you tell me which color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Good. And Afan, you tell me which color is this? Blue. Good. Okay. So the first one color is red. What is the color of this square? Red. And the second one is blue. Red, blue.
Why, बच्ची?
Red, blue. Okay. और थर्ड नंबर जो है ये कौन सा कलर है? कौन मुझे बताएगा? Which color is this? Green. Very good. Very nice. Ahmed Mustafa, very good. So the third number color is green. G R double E and green. Which color is this? Green. Repeat with me. G R double E and green. G R double E and green. Okay. Okay, all of you. So repeat with me. Okay. Name any three colors. Like the first one is red. Parishabash. Red. Red. Parishabash. Very good. Blue. Blue.
Red. Blue. Where?
Blue. Very good. And the last one is green. Okay. Which color is this? Green. Green. Yes. So repeat with me. Red. Very good.
Red. Blue.
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 And
Is
the
where?
last one is green.
Blue.
Green. Okay. Now I will show you the color pencils. Okay.
Is where?
Class, tell me what is the color of this pencil? Tell me what is the color of this pencil? Very good. Red. Okay. And Amna Shah, you tell me what is the color of this pencil? Very good. Urva, you tell me what is the color of this pencil?
Red.
Red. Very good. Huran, you tell me what is the color of this pencil? Red. Good. Daviyar, Bache, you tell me what is the color of this pencil? Red. Okay. And Afan, you tell me what is the color of this pencil? Red. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now I will show you the blue color pencil. Okay. Amna Shah, you tell me what is the color of this one pencil? Amna Shah? Blue. Very good. Okay. And Urva, you tell me what is the color of this pencil? Urva, tell me, Shahbaz, what is the color of this pencil? Blue. Very good. Okay. And yes, Ahmed Mustafa Bachi, you tell me what is the color of this pencil?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, very nice. And tell me, yes, what is the color of this one pencil? Green. Okay, so I will show you these three colors. So this is red color, and this is blue color, and this is green color. Red, blue, green. How many colors? Three colors. Shabash, repeat with me. How many colors?
Three.
Three. Very good. So the name of these colors is red, blue, and green. How many colors? These are three colors, and the name are red, blue, and green. Okay. सबको याद हो गया
Red,
है?
blue, and green.
Very good. So repeat with me. Red, blue, and
Red,
green. Very good. So
blue.
after we learn this one question, so this is your activity. और activity कौन सी है? I will show you activity sheet. Wow, look at this class. What are these? Who will tell me what?
मैं नजर
आला
नजर नहीं आ रहा.
मैं नहीं रहा था
Okay, I will show you. Wait, wait, wait. Yes. Okay, so the name of this activity is color recognition. Okay, कि इसमें आप मुझे कलर बताएंगे कि हम कौन सी फ्रूट को और कौन से थिंग को कौन सी चीज को कौन सा कलर करेंगे. ओके,
स्ट्रॉबेरी दो
वेरी गुड. स्ट्रॉबेरी को कौन सा कलर करेंगे?
दो
रेड. वेरी नाइस. अहमद मुस्तफा के लिए सब क्लैपिंग करें. शाबाश. क्लैप फॉर अहमद मुस्तफा. वेरी गुड. यस बच्चे, what is the color of strawberry?
क्लास ब्लू
Yes. What is the color of strawberry? Tell me.
रेड
Red. Very good. So अब हम इस स्ट्रॉबेरी को कौन सा कलर करेंगे? रेड कलर. ओके, this is red color pencil. Okay, now color it. Okay, inside the strawberry. इस तरह like this. Very good. जिस तरह बच्चे मैम की कीप करी, आपने भी इस तरह करना है. ओके, शाबाश. Like this. Red color strawberry. Okay, red color strawberry.
Strawberry red
शाबाश
color.
बच्चे, आप लोग वेरी वेरी गुड. आमना शाह, show me your worksheet. आमना शाह.
Strawberry color.
Okay, so like this. Okay, what is the name of this fruit? Strawberry. What is the name of this fruit?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Yes. And the color of this fruit is, what is the color of strawberry?
Red.
Red. What is the color of strawberry?
Red.
Color.
Red. Very good. Okay. And अब हम स्ट्रॉबेरी की लीफ को कलर करेंगे. ओके, एंड इसको हम कौन सा कलर करेंगे? ग्रीन, क्योंकि लीव्स जो होते हैं वो ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं ना. So the color of this leaf is green. Wow, looking so nice. See?
Some color का.
Okay, now who have done? Show me. Who have done the change? Show me बच्चे, who have done? Ahmed Mustafa बच्चे, show me. Okay, so the next one picture is, what is this class? Cloud. What is this? Cloud.
ब्लू
Yes, और cloud कहाँ पर होते हैं? Sky में. Okay, so what is the color? Very good. What is the color of cloud? Blue. What is the color of cloud?
ब्लू
Blue. So you can color it inside the cloud. Okay, like this. जिस सबने cloud के अंदर बिल्कुल neat blue color करना है. Okay, like this. The color of cloud is, what is the color of cloud? Tell me, Shabash. What is the color of cloud?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. Urva, you tell me what is the color of cloud? Urva.
Try the blue color of the
Blue. Very good. Okay, now. Very good. Huren, you have done. Huren बहुत प्यारा प्यारा कर रही है. Good.
Okay. Start.
Yes. Okay. Very good.
Some shop.
Neat.
Teachers.
Okay, बच्चे.
Some.
Yay.
Some the line number आएगा.
Very nice. So, the last, this is a cloud and the color of cloud is blue. Very good. And this is strawberry. The color of strawberry is red. So, red color and this one is blue color. Okay. So, the last one, picture 8, I will show you. What is this? What is the name of this fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pear. Very good.
Pear.
Pear कैसे कहते हैं? नाशपाती को. इसको कहते हैं?
But
Yes, very good. नाशपाती को. So, what is the color of pear? कौन बताएगा? Pear का कौन सा color होता है?
green.
Green. Very nice. Green. So, we can color green. Okay, like this inside the pear. Okay, like this. Neat, neat. Very good. Show me. Carry on. Good, Amna Shah. Good, Urva. Show me. Okay, very good. So, color of pear is green. And
And also. Pear.
what is the color of pear?
Green.
Green. Very good. What is the color of pear? Green. Okay. Red. Green. Okay. So,
Line number
हम पेयर को कौन सा कलर कर रहे हैं? Green. Okay. Which color is it? Green. Very good.
Green.
Almost I have done. So,
Line number two, Maruza.
finish. So, see this activity sheet, Shabash. Okay. So, this is strawberry and the color of strawberry is red. Which color is this? What is the color of strawberry? Red. Very good. Very nice. Okay. And this is cloud. Cloud कहाँ पर होते हैं? Sky. So the color of cloud is blue. Okay. The color of cloud is blue. And the last one is pear. Pear means nashpati. Pear means nashpati. Who like pear? किसको pear और strawberry पसंद है? Tell me, raise your hand. Show me your hand. Who likes strawberry and pear? Okay, so ये वाली एक्टिविटी हो गई है and today our question is name any three colors. Okay बच्चे क्लास ओवर हो रहा है. शाबाश मेरे साथ one time repeat करें. Red, blue and green. Okay, so today our class is finished. आज की क्लास खत्म हो रही है. कल फिर मिलेंगे. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.